Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the app notification alerts to allow sound and vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, go down and tap on an app that you want to change. Then tap on notifications. In here, go to the alerts section and then tap on allowed sound and vibration. So if you seem to not have any alert sound coming from an app, you may want to go in here and check it out. Make sure it is set to allowed sound and vibration. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.